Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change your privacy settings in Strava. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Strava application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it installed, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store and search for Strava, and from there find the application and install it. So once you download it, now you can get started opening it up. After you have opened it up, you want to go ahead and log into your Strava account that you want to use within the application. So once you're logged in, now you are going to go and be greeted by this home page. So this is the main page from where we can get started browsing all the activities we can do. We have our routes and so on. And now we can go ahead and take a look at how to change our privacy control. So basically the first option you can take a look is right here at the bottom of the screen. You have the sections tab where you can find your maps, recordings, crops, and so on. You want to open up the U section. This is going to open up your profile page. So once you open up your profile page, it's going to look like this. And now we can get started with opening up our settings. So here in the upper right corner is the settings button that you can take a look at. And you want to click on that gear icon that is the settings button. That's going to take us to the settings right here. And now we can scroll down until we find this option right here that says privacy controls. So once you open up privacy controls, from here you can go ahead and take a look at your privacy settings. We can take a look at your profile page, your activities, and so on. All of that is going to be available right here to change however you wish. So go ahead and manage your settings, and once you're satisfied, just leave, and it's automatically going to save it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.